Fourth is we'll see the drugs in the section wise. Like first, you have to write in your case. Sorry, drug book like this. First, you have to write the introduction. Format आप लोग को पता है यार. You know, you prepared a drug file in the third year med search also. So there is no need of explanation. You have to follow the same process, सेम कंटेंट आई नीड. मैं आप लोगों को फिर भी ये यूनिट डील कर रही हूँ. तो यू कैन सी फर्स्ट विल वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द ऑक्सीटोसिन और दैट वी ऑल्सो कॉल द ऑक्सीटोसिक्स, in which the oxytocics are drugs of varying chemical nature that have power to excite contraction of uterine muscles. ये मैंने डील कर लिया है. दिस इज नेक्स्ट अनदर स्लाइड्स, इसलिए आप लोग कैसे देख. सी दिस इज द इमेजेस ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन medicine. You can see this is like ampule. Next we'll see pharmacology. Oxytocin is non-appetite. Okay, it is synthesized in the optic and periventricular nuclei of the there is no need of this all things. I need only the mode of action and duration of action. This is important. Yeah, duration of action of approximately 20 minutes. After 20 minutes only it gets started the action of oxytocin. Okay, and then mode of action we need to see. Why mode of action is important. See what is the mode of action of the oxytocin. It is very important because it can be asked in the viva also. The myometrial oxytocin रिसेप्टर कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज मैक्सिमम ड्यूरिंग. आप लोग को इतना पता है ना, इट इन्हांस द uterine action, it enhance the contraction relaxation of the uterine muscles, that you know. Okay, but we need to understand the myometrial, not only the myometrial oxytocin receptors, all the receptors of the uterine muscles will increase in this situation during the periods of labor. Okay, amniotic act through receptor and voltage mediated calcium channel to initiate myometrial contractions. It also stimulate contraction of uterine smooth muscles during gestation and causes milk ejection after childbirth. See, oxytocin is not only the increase the uterine muscle contraction of uterus muscle, but it also help in the ejection of milk. Okay, so this was the mode of action of the oxytocin. This is the preparation used. How we prepare this? In the synthetic oxytocin, we give the 5 international unit per ml, that also called the pitocin, and the simometrin, that also called the Sandoz, or that also called the syntocin, and argometrin. It is argometrin will use 0.5 mg, and desamine oxytocin and oxytocin nasal solution is also there. These are the preparation of oxytocins. Okay, in this form we prepare the oxytocin. Now the effectiveness in the first trimester मैंने बता चुकी हूँ. First trimester में there is no effects. We need to understand the indication first. Indication मैंने last class में deal किया. Therapeutic and diagnostic indications are separately described. In the therapeutic I earlier explained, in the early pregnancy ये सब हो चुके हैं. Okay, sorry. So this also happen in the case of labor. हम कब we provide the oxytocin in the case of initiation of labor, in the case of augmentation of labor, in the case of uterine inertia when it is not working the muscles of uterus, inactive management of third stage of labor, in the following expulsion of the placenta. This all already completed. To minimize the blood loss in the case of in the period of preparium, this also completed. Now in the case of diagnostic, this was all about the therapeutic. Now in the case of diagnostic, in the case of oxytocin challenge test, in the in the case of oxytocin sensitivity test, in both the cases we provide the oxytocin. Okay, these are the methods of administration, how we administer the oxytocin. First is controlled intravenous infusion, we provide by the IV for induction of labor and for augmentation of labor, and the intramuscular injections also provide, and doses will be the zero. मैं जो slides आपको दे रही हूँ, that is enough to write in your drug book. Okay, 0.5 to 2 milliunits per minute is important why we are providing the medication to a woman. This is the nursing management. I'll deal the nursing management in the next class. Indication to stop infusion, contraindication, dangers of oxytocin, these all are very very important. कभी कभार एग्जाम में शॉर्ट नोट्स में आता है कि ऑक्सीटोसिन इन ऑप्सेटिक, बस ये आ जाता है और इट वुड बी इन 5 मार्क्स, तो आपको सब लिखना पड़ेगा, इसलिए आई विल डील ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन वेरी डिटेल. ओके.